Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Vicki Knapp, and here in the state line we've been plenty cold so far this winter, but it seems like we're missing an important part, the snow. So far this season we've only had about 5.5 inches of snow, which leaves us well below average for this point in the season. But with our recent cold temperatures, it begs the question, is it just too cold to snow? Well, the short answer is no, and here's why. For snow, we need 3 ingredients. The first, cold temperatures. The atmosphere has to be cold enough all the way to the ground for snowflakes to even reach the surface. The next piece we need, saturated air. The air has to have enough water vapor in it to even generate precipitation. And then the third piece, we need rising air. We need that air to have lift so that snowflakes can form aloft and then eventually fall back down to the surface. Now with extremely cold conditions like what we've had, we obviously meet that first criteria, but these other two become more difficult to achieve. And that's because as air gets colder, it also gets drier. Cold air has less capacity for water vapor than warm air. For instance, at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, air can only hold 1/7 the amount of water vapor as at 32 degrees. The other problem with cold conditions, air is very stable. Warm air rises, think like a hot air balloon. Cold air, on the other hand, it sinks and likes to hug the ground. So believe it or not, the South Pole has recorded snow with temperatures of 57 degrees below zero. But as temperatures fall to the single digits and below zero, heavy snow does become unlikely. But now you know, it's not because it's too cold, it's because it's just too dry and too stable.